Hello everybody. At least now you can get to notice the difference of the final outcome after we've used our finger joints. As you can see, we don't use nails completely. We've only used the G clamps, F clamps, and T clamps to do the joinery. Just look at that perfect finish. And it's still yet not complete. As you can see. Now, in our next video, you're going to watch how we do the weaving on these cabinets. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the views and engagement that I've been getting from my videos. Thank you.